The Guan Yin is a Chinese statue of compassion. It also represents healing, mercy, and a handful of other different qualities. But let's go explore. Welcome to Chiang Rai. Today, we're going to be going temple hunting. There's a blue temple, a white temple, and a huge Buddha temple that I really want to go exploring. But first, we're going to need to grab a bite to eat, grab on the motorcycle, and get on with today's adventure. So for breakfast, I was driving by and I saw these ducks right here. A bunch of people going into this restaurant. It looks like a good spot and it smells great for breakfast. Clock Tower. This is going to be one of your central locations and a good reference point when you're traveling to Chiang Rai. When you're walking up through the clock tower, there's a bunch of portraits, really happy, loving, caring pictures of folks. Looks like soldiers, warriors of the past times. And then here we are at the gorgeous clock tower, central Chiang Rai. We'll just walk back over to the ducks I saw earlier, snag some breakfast for reals this time, and then be on our way.
Turn right onto Route 131.
We have arrived. It's about 9:30 in the morning. A little busy, not too busy. Let's go ahead and get in there, check things out before it gets too wild. And up to this statue, you can see it from miles away. It's an absolute beautiful, beautiful statue. Wow. Are we gonna take a selfie? You know what's fun is walking around and then everybody's like, hey, come take a picture with me. And then sometimes they'll ask me, oh, will you take a picture for us? And they don't expect it because I'm getting serious with it. I'm getting down, I'm getting high, I'm getting low, and I'm trying to get the best picture possible for these folks. I just enjoy it. And everybody smiles, and it's kind of the whole deal for travel, right? Get out and smile. Next temple is right here. This is a female dragon on the right side. And then on the left side, we have the male dragon. And then we have Lady Buddha right here. And I actually have this tattooed on my arm. Her flask is a flask of life water, and she sprinkles this to make everybody's wishes come true. Lady Buddha, as you can see. All right, that wraps up Guan Yin, or Lady Buddha. Time for us to head off over to the next temple. Might have to stop for lunch. See you there. After you've gone to the Guan Yin temple, I'd suggest you swing on down here to Lolitta Cafe. When you walk into this cafe, it's basically a rainforest. You can even get a massage here. Oh wow. I'm gonna find my way to the cafe and have a nice iced coffee. Shh. This is so cool. Yeah, you definitely gotta come to Lolitta Cafe. It was 60 baht for the entry. It's gonna be about $1.50. And then you make your way right here into the cafe. I don't even know what I got myself into. I found this place on Google Maps. And I'm leaving a 5-star review. So once you've had your cafe, you can walk around the waterfall. And you can also get an hour foot massage. All right, we're heading out of here. Lolitta's Cafe, 5 stars burger. No burger. They might have burgers, but they definitely got good coffee. So after you visit Lady Buddha Temple, make sure you swing over to Lolitta. Grab an iced coffee, sit by the waterfall, get a foot massage. Just enjoy the day. Also, make sure you like it and subscribe it. Time for me to head back closer to the house, get a massage before we get out to the next temple. Kap kun kap.